Hello everyone, and we are back at the tail end of the options expiry for the Australian dollar to Swiss franc. And as you can see, I went through a scary patch earlier when I could not place more trades. So that is that little bit that you're seeing over there. Let me see if I can try and zoom into this portion over here. Uh, at that point, I would have chosen to place more bets incrementally. In this case, after $10, that was my last bet, I would have gone to 15. I was lucky in this case that the prices came down and all 10 of my bets were in the money. So that was a good streak. But obviously, you don't want to be constrained by this 10 bet limit. So you should go with an options trading app that does not have this limit of 10 active trades at any given time. Now we will get back to the opposite side. So earlier the contrarian strategy was the red lines are basically my down bets, and the contrarian strategy was allowing us to keep betting down as the prices went up, or in this case the exchange rate. Also you can see when I started betting my okay, that was terrible. My that was terrible also. But if you can see this part, nope, I'll try it again. If you can see this part, that is my maximum profit of 35% at this point in time. When I started placing the down bets, those are the red lines you see across the top, and here, nope, here, yes, one day I'll get the hang of this. But here you can see uh, all those bets were in the money, and now since the price has come down, this is not a significant movement, but it's enough to make money because the quantum of the movement is irrelevant when you're doing binary options. It's just the direction that matters. So getting three bets where the price goes 1% in your favor is better than getting one bet where the price goes 10-20% in your favor, because you don't get any additional profit because of that. So anyway, now I'm at 8 active trades, and that is the top left corner, the little red 8 that you can see. And now let me get back to what I was doing, which is doing the contrarian when it's on a downward trend, at least short term trend. I missed my opportunity because I was talking and I cannot multitask. But obviously, at this point, I would have placed in my next bet of $5 for a 90-minute expiration. So we'll keep track of this, and the idea is, at least for this particular trade, how many in a row I can get right using this strategy. So far my record is 9 trades in the correct direction, basically guessing the direction. A couple of other things that I wanted to show is, many times it looks as if I'm timing the market. So if I get back here to the start of my trades, here, okay, you cannot see this, but at this point, this looks like I'm timing because I managed to get this peak. But you have to understand that that's complete coincidence. I had no idea what direction the price would move. I was just following my strategy blindly, which is every time, in this case, every time it went over the previous bet's price, I would put a higher bet, and that's what happened. So, okay, that was an accident. So it looks like I'm trying to time tops and bottoms, but Actually, that is not the case at all. The fact that it looks that way is just an illusion, and not of any significance, nor should you read anything into it. So that is the end of this particular video, and let us see where I end up on this session, and I will keep you posted. All right, thank you for watching, and please post all your questions. I'm almost afraid to say please post your comments, because in YouTube people start, abusing and trolling and all that. So just post your questions and I will try to answer them. Hopefully, if I post enough of these videos, the strategy will become clearer as time goes on. So that is it. Thank you. Goodbye.